You're gonna pull right there. You're gonna put it in reverse. You're gonna use the backup camera, and you're just gonna back up right here till I tell you to stop. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're starting on our electric fence. We're gonna fence off the millet that I planted and turn the cows in on it and let them graze it down, because as you can tell, our grass is way behind and almost non-existent. It's we haven't had a whole lot of rain here this summer, so they're working on it pretty well. And I know y'all probably wondering where I've been, but I've been working, traveling, so just hadn't had a lot of time to make videos. But so we're gonna start on this electric fence today, because I have a feeling I'm gonna be traveling again before too much longer. So come with us, and shouldn't take us too long. I hope to have it done by the end of this week. We're only going to be working on it during the late afternoons because it's so hot. And let's see what kind of backup job Abigail can do right here. All right.
Did I do a good job?
Yes, you did. Did you use the camera? We got to load up some posts, but before you touch it, I'm gonna make sure there ain't no snakes in it.
Tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. You can double down, throw some dice, you can take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, go on.
It's too hard, and I don't have a piece of pipe welded under the bottom of it to hold them.
Is this the right way?
Yep.
I can't put it up there.
Pull your post over.
It's not doing anything.
Told you so.
Okay, so I have been sent to get some water. So, get a couple bottles, take it to them. Here, give Daddy one.
Roll my ankle over.
You know what we need? We need one of them post drivers with the little motor. Oh, now I got it like I want it. They're gonna mark them off and lay them down, and then they're gonna drive them all, and I'm gonna sit on the golf cart. Our millet come up, it got enough rain to get it up, and then we got probably an inch or two on it later, way later, and then we ain't had no rain since. It is getting hot and dry. It don't seem to bother the kudzu or the nutgrass. I think I'm gonna rename my channel to Nutgrass Hill. She's counting off 8 steps and setting a post. It's just gonna be electric fence. We're gonna try to get it as straight as we can get it, but it looks pretty good down here in this bottom where it's a little wetter down here, but not for long. We're gonna get to the hard part down here at the curve, and it's just gonna be red hard clay.